Hey everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. So today we're doing another bullet journal setup video. This is the second part. If you haven't seen the first part, I will link you in the iCards above, and I am very excited to be showing this to you guys. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. This means so much to me, and of course if you have any ideas, comments, or suggestions, you can put those below the video. I'm just gonna get right into this. I've been trying to get a lot more videos put out, and in this I've been trying to cut a bit on doing intros because it just takes a really long time to edit. So I'm just jumping right into this, and I hope to not have to speak too much during this video just because like I said, it takes a long time to edit. So I hope to bring a lot more videos where you just relax and watch and hopefully try it along with me. So this part of the video I am doing a grid spacing chart. I got this idea from Amanda Rachel on YouTube, and it seems to be really popular in the bullet journaling world. So this method is for dotted bullet journals, and the idea behind it is that you can refer to it so you can see how big the spacing is without having to count every dot every time. So I counted every single dot all the way down and then all the way across, and then I divided that number in half to get my halfway point, both vertically and horizontally. I'm just using this sticker book to make a straight line because I can't find my ruler at this point. And then I divided it into quarters and thirds. After that I turned it and did it on the other side. So this is quarters and thirds. So it looked pretty easy, but it was actually a lot of time put into that. So if you need help, I will try to give a better explanation, break it down a little bit easier for you guys. So now I'm just decorating this page by putting grid spacing chart. Tried to keep it pretty simple since there was a lot going on in this page. I'm gonna let you guys watch that, and if you don't want to, you can just go ahead and skip to about 3 minutes. So now I decided to do a personal about me page. So I just did some basic things, something I call a profile, which is basically just my age and where I'm from and where I live. And then I did a currently section, which just has like what I'm currently listening to, what I currently love, my current favorite food, my current favorite drink, what I want, what I'm watching, and my favorite fandom. You guys can choose whatever you like. And then I also did the middle part. I just said about me, which is kind of just an overall about me. And I did my astrological sign, and then things that I am, like a wife, YouTuber, teacher, dog mom, artist. Though I think I should have chose crafter, but it's fine. And then I did my likes and dislikes. Of course I have way more likes and dislikes, but I just tried to pick some fun ones and put those in there. Then I did a birthday chart, and you're gonna see me turn this paper a lot because I was trying to be very careful when I inked it. So I got this idea on Pinterest, and of course I will put it down below the video so you guys can view that. And otherwise I'm just going to let this play and you guys can watch it. If you don't want to watch it, you guys can skip to about 5.5 minutes. So now I'm working on another quote page, and I just really love these. I think they're cute, and I try to choose things that mean something to me. And I already had to add another piece of paper because my ink had bled through the page, so I decided it would be fun to use a coloring book page. So right here I'm just swatching some markers so I can choose some colors, and I'm not going to talk through all of this. I'm actually just going to let you guys watch it, but if you want to, you can of course skip over it and go to about 9 minutes. Hey everyone, so we are nearing the end of this coloring, so I just wanted to tell you guys that I super apologize, but something happened to my external hard drive and I ended up losing the rest of my footage for this video, and it made me really sad because I worked really hard on it. I've been trying to get out 2 videos a week if possible, just the last few weeks, trying to catch up a bit because I have a lot of footage for you guys, and that is mainly because I've been trying to get this bullet journal set up. I wanted to do it in 2 videos because I had a long setup, and then I also did my September spread, which that's a spoiler alert because that's going to be coming out super soon. I know that we are already at the end of September and soon I will be putting out my October spread, but this is my very first bullet journal and I literally just started this month, and I have been having so much fun doing this for you guys. Like seriously, this has been a great experience and I want to keep doing this for you guys, so I do apologize and I appreciate all of your love and support that you've been giving me lately, and I hope that you guys aren't too disappointed, but I will show a little flip through, so I hope that you guys enjoy that. And of course, if you have any comments, ideas, or questions or concerns or whatever, you guys can put that under this video and I will try to help you as best as I can. And I'm gonna go ahead and say my goodbye because this will be the end of the video, and I hope that you guys tune in at the end of the week for another video, and I have something really fun in store for you guys and I'm super excited, so I hope to see you there. Bye! So this is my bullet journal. You guys have already seen these pages. I remembered to cover up my phone number this time, and there's the about me that you saw in this video, and then there's the page we were working on with the coloring book insert. So how I did this was I used a piece of scrapbook paper and then a piece of regular white printer paper, and I stacked it on top of each other, and then I just wrote, "Creativity is experimenting, growing, taking risks, breaking rules, making mistakes, and Having Fun" by Mary Lou Cook. After I wrote this, I looked up the quote for the voiceover, and actually it says creativity is inventing and then experimenting. Some of the quotes say that, some of it say it without the inventing. So sorry about that. I wasn't trying to change the quote or anything. And then after I wrote that, I just added a couple of stickers to make it fun. And there's my index. It's kind of long, probably won't use all those pages. There's the birthdays that we worked on, the grid spacing guide, and then I did a places to go page. And I think this is pretty self-explanatory, but I basically just did 4 squares, wrote places to go, and I know we can't do much traveling right now, but I thought it would be fun to try and do a places to go near us just to check out some new places, you know, parks, things like that. And then here is my year at a glance. This one I just broke it up into thirds using the grid spacing chart, and then I added a little washi tape to write the year at a glance, and I left some space under each small calendar to write anything that I need to write. And of course, if you have any questions on anything else, you can just let me know. So then I did a goals and a YouTube page, just the goal or idea and then how to achieve it or when I want to do it. And that is the end of my setup. Thanks again for making it this far, and this is my real goodbye, so bye!